Perfect.
Alright babes, so by the title you guys can tell what I'm going to be filming right now. I'm going to be filming a New Year's Eve inspired look. What I really wanted was I wanted this look to be somewhat of a talk through so that you guys could you know, get more details on exactly what I'm doing. Without further ado, I'm going to get started. But I'm going to turn on by the fan because I'm really hot. I'm filming with my phone, so I'm kind of just testing out this way to see if I can start filming videos with my phone and make it a little bit easier. So based on how this look comes out, I'll be able to tell you guys if I want to keep on filming with my phone, and you guys can let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Alright, to prep my skin, I'm going to be using the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. I'm going to be applying a bit of it because I have very dry skin. And for you guys, it's like winter time in the US and in Canada, so you know, you guys can definitely moisturize. It's good for you. Especially under my eyes and around my mouth, gets dry a lot. Whatever is left, I'm just gonna put on my elbows because they're always ashy. Alright, before I prime my face, I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. And for my brows today, I'm using my Black Up Cosmetics brow pencil in dark brown, which is almost done, but don't judge me. And I'm just doing some really light strokes because I don't want my brows to overpower this look at all. I feel like I want you guys to be closer to me. Because I can't zoom in the front camera mode, so. I'm going to be using the Eyebrow Pro Conceal to clean up to clean up my brows. And it basically done, so I'm going to just use it straight from the container. As a primer, I'm going to be using the Jordana eye primer eyeshadow base in number 1. This one product is so old, guys. I can count on my hands how many times I've actually used it. But I always tell you guys, if you want something like a paint pot. I remember when like the MAC paint pots were like really popular. Everybody did love them. Now everybody just start use concealer for prime. But I'm using the Jordana one, and it gives you like a paint pot effect, especially back in those holiday tutorials, like back in the day. Everybody, I'm gonna be using my MAC paint pot in Painterly. I have not heard anybody say that in a long time, but yeah, I'm just blending that out. Next, I'm gonna start placing my colors. I'm going to go first into the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna be using the shade Morocco, and I'm just going to pop that into my crease, and I'm kind of packing it on, so you guys will see. I'm using this brush from Salavi. And I want it to show, guys, so I'm just packing it on. After I pack that into my crease, I'm going to go in with a brown. I'm going to be using Earth Glow, which is like a reddish brown powder, and I'm gonna put that like below Morocco, but with this Coastal Scents blending brush. And this is a powder, guys, but you see how well that looks like an eyeshadow? A nice reddish brown. Yeah. Alright. Below Earth Glow, I'm going to put Jezebel. Can't really see. To prepare my eye for the smoky eye look, I'm going to be using this gel liner. I think it's from LA Girl, LA Colors, one of them. And I'm just going to put this directly onto my lid. And you kind of want to get it up like all over the lid itself. And I'm just going to kind of use my finger a little bit. I don't want to spoil up the job we have going on in the crease. I'm going to blend it out with my finger like this, just to kind of not make it this harsh. More of patting and dragging up. Alright, I'm also going to take this underneath my eyes. And clean up under here a little bit. Alright, so I'm just going to slightly blend out the crease, just a little bit. You can use some powder to help you with this part because it can get messy. I'm going to take the matte black and pack it onto my lid. I'm going to pack it on with a fluffy brush. And you will be having fallout all over your eye, all over your face. I'm packing. Now set up. I'm gonna use a blending brush to just blend these two colors together. Circular motions will do this part best. See how dark this one is becoming? More of the orange is disappearing. I'm also using Earth Glow on the brush to help me to just make it really seamless. Yeah. Onto the same brush, and from the same Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking this yellow color right here, which is called Creamsicle. I'm using Creamsicle on the same brush. I'm going like right below the brow bone, like right here. I'm going to just wipe under my eyes to get rid of some of the darkness under there, just so I can see exactly what the eyes are looking like right now. Taking the bigger brush, just smoothing everything out. Alright, so this brow is bothering me, guys, but I'm going to fix it like when the look comes together a little bit better. I'm gonna fix this brow because something about it is irritating me. I think it's the tip right here, but anyways, we're on the eyes, we're focusing on the eyes. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take this liquid liner. The brand is called City Cosmetics. I like it says City Cosmetics, and this is just the liquid glitter liner, glitter liquid liner, whatever. See if I can show you guys what it looks like. It's very pretty. There it is. It's like a dark blue, dark purple type of. I'm going to put this on my lid, so I'm kind of taking it off and putting it on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to apply it to the lid, so that by the time I put it on my lid, it's going to be tacky, or tacky / dry, which is what I want, because I don't want to be blinking and it's, you know, touching. Guys, the one eye here with the contact here is giving me hell, but anyways. Exactly what I was going for. Perfect. Gorgeous. I love it. To set my brow bone, I'm going to be using what color this now? Going to be using Silk Cream from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And it looks heavy at first, but We're gonna blend it out. We're gonna blend it out. Alright, to prime my face, I'm going to be using the Instant Pore Eraser from Maybelline. Concentrating it on my larger pores, which is around my nose and basically my T-zone. I really need those to be very, very smooth. I'm going to be using the Make It Last translucent powder from Milani to set the primer. Oh. And this step, guys, is going to make your makeup last so long. Even if you use a primer, you can just set it with some powder still before you put your foundation on. For foundation, as usual, I'm going to be mixing my two faves, the Jordana Complete Cover in 11 and 12. And the reason why this is one of my favorite foundations is this right here. You guys see how that looks like skin? It looks just like your skin. I mean, separate and apart from it matching, I'm talking about the finish. Like, it has such a skin-like finish. It's so pretty. But yeah. To highlight my face, I'm using the Jordana Complete Cover in number 10 onto a sponge, as well as I'll just be changing tools. I'll be using the brush first. I'll be using this brush first just to get it on there, and then I'm going to be using a series of brushes and maybe the sponge. I was trying to find something that has the same kind of yellow undertone and the same look as the LA Girl Pro in Fawn, which is like my favorite highlighting product. So this is the closest I could come, because for some reason I can't find Fawn. It's like, it's like the most highly sold concealer here in JA, so it's hard to get it. I'm pretty sure this is going to do a good job just the same. I just want my highlight to be heavy so that it can really bring out the beauty of this look. As these contacts, when they get too dry, I can't really tell if I'm in focus or not, so I'm just using this. Then I'm going to go back into my foundation brush and just blend everything out. Press it into the skin still, buffer it in. Especially up under my head. I'm going to be setting my highlighted areas with the same Milani powder. I'll be be translucent in number 2, which is medium deep. To set the contour, you guys know I'm gonna go in with Earth Glow, the reddish brown that I've been using. I can't find it. To set my contour, Earth Glow. I want my contour to be a bit heavy, like really, not heavy, but like I want to have that bronzed look. So I'm just trying to make sure I see that contour, like just the bronzed look, you know, pressing that in to feel the warmth on my cheeks. And of course my nose, sides of my nose. Yeah, it is snatched, I see that. I'm just gonna blend. So for my blush, I want something nice, like a mixture of plum and orange. So I'm gonna be mixing Morocco and Jezebel to give me that color. Like, hopefully it works out. I don't want it to be too dark or, you know, come off too strong. So I'm doing one dip in Jezebel and then 2 or 3 dips in Morocco should give me what I'm looking for. Sorta, kinda. I need it to be darker. So probably more of Jezebel. Yeah, yep. Yes. Yeah, that's definitely it. There we go. I love it. I'm using like a copper shimmer. I wanted a splash of something in my teardrop area, so I'm going to be putting it in there. I don't like how that is applied. I'm try doing better on the other eye. Yeah, it looks a little bit better on this eye. I'm going to have to fix this. Ooh. The other eye has it the way I want, but anyways, for lips I'm using the J. Amer Cosmetics lip liner in Cocoa, and I'm lining rather heavily, and I'm blending in. I'm dragging my liner kind of inward. I'm going to be using a nude and I don't want it to come off too loud. So the nude I'm going to be using is Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream from Sleek. Yeah. And this was a gift from my girl Deja. Hey Deja. I'm just applying it like this. It's like a pinky matte. And you guys see how it blends better when you don't, like, when you line in further in. And this is a pinky nude, but to be honest, I wasn't going for so pink. Alright guys, you can leave it matte if you want, but I don't want that. I want gloss. So on top of that, I'm going to be using this little lip gloss by Black Cosmetics called, they call it the Balm Nude Parfait Perfect Nude Lip Balm, and this is in number 4. Oh, that's the color right there. I actually have more than one of these, you know, and I think the other one has more of a nude color, but we're gonna use this one because this is the one I found, and it's burst, so don't try this at home, kids. Ah! I did say don't try this at home. Okay. Two things left to do, my highlighter and my lashes. So for my highlight, I'm going into the Nubian 2 palette I'm going to use. I can use either Nefertiti or Nairobi. I really don't know which one. Is too copper. So I'm gonna go with Nairobi. That's my highlight today. Yeah, and I'm actually liking it. I love it. Alright, I can't find my lash glue, so I'm going to be putting my lashes on off camera because I'm going to have to figure out the glue situation. But for my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash. And I absolutely love this thing. Like, guys, like, it is like one of the best mascaras ever invented. Alright guys, this is the finished look for my New Year's Eve inspired makeup look, and I absolutely love it. My background is noisy because my neighbors are doing construction work, so I don't know, I just kind of put my hair into this bun looking thing because I really was just not sure at all what to do with it. But you know, if you do like a really cute updo or something, you know, that'll look cute and whatever. I kind of pinned my hair up. This feels more normal to me. Like this feels more like a holiday inspired look with my hair like this. The only thing I would change would be my earrings. So if I got like something that dangled, then that would be really nice. But yeah, this is definitely a New Year's Eve / holiday inspired makeup look. You guys can recreate it. This glitter smoky eye with that wet highlight look, like your highlight just look wet. I love it, guys. Like, this makes your face look juicy. But yeah, guys, really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and also drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup look, and also any suggestions of videos that you want, drop them down there as well. Yeah, follow my social media sites, everything social at Naturally Miss Toya. Video on my contacts will be down in the description bar, as well as the link to my necklace. But if you guys don't see the link down there, just give me a little bit more time, and just keep in mind I'm selling these jewelry online on my new page. Alright, yeah, thanks guys as always for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.